Why can you not fix things properly? What is going on there? Tighten the screw. Like really hard. Hold on. Need to pull out before I go.
Chris, why have you broke the GoPro?
So the last time we were here, you saw us installing a module onto a cable that they just put through. Now what you can do is steal that module and plug a AP in so they have Wi-Fi in. Look what we've got cable-wise. So we'll mount it there because then they've got access to ports.
Yes.
To plug stuff in.
Yeah.
But we need a shorty little cable. So either I will shorten this one or I will make.
Right.
What we're doing here is we've taken the default cable that comes in the box. We are returning it in the end to make it shorter. Going over to the museum. So now you want to know what the hell we've been doing, because I didn't give you any commentary while we were walking along. So we came to put an AP in place, we popped the AP in place, then looked at the museum because they had Wi-Fi issues, but it turns out the Wi-Fi issues were only over a period of time, so it was a little bit of a blip. Then what we had to do is here, there is an engineering company that is not part of a Buckinghamshire Railway Centre. And they require broadband and internet connectivity, which we have, and we've wired the place so that we get it over here. So we then were looking around. You will be seeing right now, we walked through the engineering department where they work on trains. You will see that they were even bending pieces of steel with fire. Awesome stuff. Proper old school engineering. So we were checking to make sure that we had a pathway or a way in which we could get a cable from where we have broadband into a cabin that they have that is part of the engineering company. And now we're done. So let's go.